If your protein workflow still relies on ultracentrifuges and long incubations, there is a faster, easier, and more efficient path: magnetic bead-based protein purification. In many labs, protein cleanup still means multi-step protocols. Centrifugation and column equilibration stretch timelines, specialized equipment adds complexity, and variability between runs undermines reproducibility. And when samples are tiny or targets are scarce, every transfer risks loss while manual steps limit throughput. Magnetic beads change that with selective capture and quick magnetic separation. Each bead carries a streptavidin coating on which the biotinylated ligand selected for your target, such as an antibody, aptamer, or antigen fragment, is bonded. This step equips the bead with the specificity needed to bind the analyte later. The practical sequence is simple. Activate the beads by loading the ligand. After washing the impurities away, incubate with the sample to purify. Place on a magnet to attract the magnetic beads loaded with the analyte. Wash to remove weak or nonspecific interactions while the beads remain magnetically in the labware. Add the elution solvent and elute the sample. You are now ready for LC-MS, Western blot, ELISA, or activity assays. You gain speed without centrifugation or complex instrumentation. Reproducibility improves with consistent magnetic separation. And workflows can move from single samples to automation-ready microplates, including 96 and 384 well formats. Biozen MagBeads, Phenomenex magnetic beads, include a hydrophilic copolymer surface, which reduces non-specific hydrophobic interactions and orients capture ligands, a biotinylated BSA spacer that acts as a linker to streptavidin, and monodispersed capture ligands for optimized binding capacity. These features reduce non-specific binding, improve capture consistency, and provide cleaner eluates. Choose magnetic beads when sample volumes are small, turnaround is critical, minimal equipment is preferred, or high throughput is required. Learn more by visiting our website or chat with a technical expert. Link in the caption. Phenomenex. Phenomenal chemistry in every peak.